In today's video, I'm going to show you Alesis Nitro Amp 70W review makes eardrums sound cheap, 2026. The Alesis Nitro Amp 70W is a compact electronic drum monitor that's perfectly fine for basic practice. But in 2026, a lot of drummers are calling it out for making even decent eardrum kits sound cheap compared with proper studio monitors or PA speakers. On paper, it's a 70W Class D amp with a 3 full range driver, mounting clamps for nitro drum racks, and a frequency range targeted at electronic kits, which should give clear sound without distortion for home use. It's easy to set up and sits right where you need it during practice sessions, and plenty of sellers list it as ideal for small spaces and personal monitoring. But the reality check from player communities and honest gear reviewers is less flattering. A widely cited user review on Sweetwater complains that the sound reproduction is horrible and toy-like, claiming that what you hear through this mini speaker doesn't match the quality of headphones or what you'd expect from your kit, and recommending testing it in person before buying because it may just be disappointment. Reddit gear discussions around Nitro kits more broadly show recurring complaints about low volume or lack of punch even with dedicated amps, suggesting that small built-in monitors or budget amps like this one often fail to capture the dynamic range players expect from even entry-level kits. In short, if you want a budget practice level monitor that gets sound out of your drum module, the Alesis Nitro Amp does that with minimal fuss. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.